Immich versus Synology Photos can significantly impact how you manage and back up your precious memories without the fear of losing them. Each offers unique features tailored to different user needs. Immich is a self-hosted photo backup solution designed for privacy-focused users, while Synology Photos is part of the Synology ecosystem, providing seamless integration with Synology NAS devices. The core difference lies in hosting and overall ecosystem integration. Immich is a self-hosted photo backup application that prioritizes user privacy and control. It allows users to store photos on their own servers, ensuring that personal data remains secure. The platform is designed for users who are comfortable with technical setups, as it requires a bit of configuration. Immich supports various features such as automatic photo uploads, sharing capabilities, and tagging for easy organization. Its strengths include enhanced privacy, customization options, and independence from third-party services. However, its limitations lie in the need for self-hosting, which may not be ideal for everyone, especially those less tech-savvy. Immich is best suited for privacy-conscious individuals or tech enthusiasts who prefer full control over their data. Synology Photos is a powerful photo management solution integrated into Synology NAS devices. It offers a user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for those less familiar with technology. Users can automatically back up photos from various devices, organize them with tags, and share albums with family and friends. One of the standout features is its AI-driven search capabilities, allowing users to find images quickly based on content or tags. The strengths of Synology Photos include seamless integration with Synology's ecosystem, ease of use, and robust sharing options. However, it is limited to users who own Synology hardware, which may not be suitable for everyone. Ideal users include families or individuals seeking a comprehensive and straightforward photo management solution within the Synology environment. When comparing Immich and Synology Photos, several factors come into play. Immich excels in privacy and control, making it perfect for users who want to manage their own servers. However, it requires technical knowledge to set up and maintain. On the other hand, Synology Photos offers ease of use and integration, ideal for those already invested in the Synology ecosystem. It simplifies photo management but limits users to the Synology hardware. In a real-world scenario, a tech-savvy individual might prefer Immich for its privacy, while a family looking for an effortless solution might opt for Synology Photos due to its user-friendly interface and robust features. For those prioritizing privacy and control over their photo backups, Immich is the recommended choice. If you seek a seamless and user-friendly photo management experience, Synology Photos is the way to go, especially if you own Synology hardware. Both options cater to different needs, ensuring your memories are safe and accessible.